There's a quiet crisis unfolding. Credit card debt. Americans owe over $1 trillion, and it has morphed into a financial treadmill designed to keep you running in place for life. For millions, it feels like being caught in a current with no way to shore. But there's a clear roadmap to paying it all off and breaking the cycle for good. I'm about to show you how. This isn't just a personal failing, it's a systemic issue. Nearly half of all American cardholders now carry a balance from month to month. And for most, this debt isn't from splurging. It's about survival. It's not about buying luxuries, it's about patching a hole in the lifeboat. The top reasons for debt are emergency expenses, like a surprise medical bill or car repair, and covering basic living costs like groceries and utilities. This financial weight becomes a psychological prison. The key to the trap is the minimum payment. With average interest rates for accounts carrying a balance now over 22%, making only minimum payments on an average balance of around $7,300 is like trying to bail out a flooding boat with a teaspoon. It can take over 18 years to pay it off. You'd pay thousands more in interest than you originally borrowed. The system isn't designed for you to win. It's like a race where the finish line moves further away the longer you run. And this is hitting young people hard, with serious delinquency rates for those aged 18-29 hovering near 10%. Hearing that can feel overwhelming, but this is where you start building the solution. Here is your 4-step roadmap to escaping credit card debt. Step 1. Face the numbers. You can't fight an enemy you don't see. This is like turning on the lights in a dark room. You have to see what you're up against. List every debt, the balance, and the interest rate. Then stop the bleeding. Stop using your credit cards for any new purchases. From now on, it's cash or debit only. Step 2. Choose your method. Now, attack the debt. The Avalanche method is like a targeted missile, aiming for the highest interest card first to save the most money. The Snowball method is like a small snowball rolling downhill, targeting the smallest balance first for quick, motivating wins that build momentum. Choose the one you'll stick with. Step 3. Lower your interest. Call your credit card company and ask for a lower rate. You'd be surprised how often it works. Also consider a 0% balance transfer card or a debt consolidation loan. This is like hitting a pause button on the interest clock, giving you breathing room to pay down the actual balance. Step 4. Build a buffer. Most debt starts with an emergency. To prevent it from happening again, save a small emergency fund of $500 to $1,000. This is your financial firewall, a wall of protection that keeps the spark of an unexpected cost from burning down your budget. This journey isn't easy, but it is possible. The truth is, the credit card game is rigged. But when you stop playing by their rules, you start winning. Imagine making that final payment and knowing your paycheck is 100% yours. That freedom is achievable, and it can start today. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments below.